Hello, Keller Williams. This is Yana Hayes, MAPS leadership coach, and today I want to talk to you about success through others. Whenever you are a rainmaker leading a sales team, or maybe you are in leadership, you are working with other people and you have a team members. And so, how do you lead other people efficiently and effectively? That way, you collectively achieve your goals faster. How do you get their buy in? Well, somebody once shared a quote with me that says, winning is about having the whole team on the same page. But how do you do that? Well, the answer is simple, yet not easy. It is by creating a culture of productivity. And so there are three steps of creating a culture of productivity. And it starts with step number one, which is the KPA. When was the last time you KPA'd your team members? Are you aware of their strengths? And are you aware of their weaknesses? Step number two is 411. When was the last time you have reviewed 411 of your team member? Do you know what shows up on the personal side of their 411? And are you helping them achieve their dreams? Step number three would be your growth plan. Have you seen what's on their personal side of their growth plan? Is there maybe a book that they would like to read, a place they would like to go to, or maybe a training they would like to attend? And are you helping them to achieve their growth plans? Leaders, I would like to challenge you to create a culture of productivity by creating your world big enough so your team members, employees, partners, teammates can fit in. Best of luck to you.